A tragic landslide due to heavy rainfall has claimed the life of 26-year-old mother and 2-year-old son, while father and daughter sustained severe injuries. The incident occurred in the wee hour today at Imphal village in Tamenglong district, when the debris from the landslide reportedly swept away their home. The deceased were identified as Tamenglong Kamay, aged 26, wife of Tamenglong Kamay, and Suhangam Kamay, aged 2. Their daughter, Chungangam Kamay, 14, is undergoing treatment, while Tamenglong Kamay sustained severe injuries and has been airlifted to Imphal for further treatment. The family hails from Tamenglong village and resided at Imphal under Tamenglong Ward number 3. The body of mother and duo has been taken to Tamenglong village for their last rites. Tamenglong Kamay serves in the Manipur police as a constable and stationed at Tamenglong district headquarters. In yet another incident of landslide, a portion of Tongjay Maril Road, Old Kasar Road between Ringpang and Khopum has been completely washed away by the debris. Meanwhile, the landslide has blocked National Highway number 37 along the Imphal-Ziribam road between Nungba and Ringpang villages following heavy downpours since last night. This blockage has severely disrupted vehicular movement. Excavators of company have been deployed to clear the landslide debris. Chief Minister N. Bring took to X to extend condolences to the tragic loss of life. He also stated that the state government is taking immediate action to ensure that the father receives the necessary medical attention and advanced care. District Administration Tamenglong, Angshim Dashangwa, religious leaders and CSO's leaders also showed their solidarity to the bereaved family.